Oh, this is a mood right now. It's been a hot minute since I had some time to sit and do this. Super chill, kind of getting back to my whole super chill tutorial vibes, and I literally couldn't be happier about it. I have like a coffee, a little wood candle burning in front of me. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna hop right into it. So the first thing I'm using is my Dior. It just says Perfect Skin Creator. I use it as a primer. I don't know if this is supposed to be skincare, whatever they want it to be. Next, I'm taking my Guerlain foundation. The thing with Guerlain, it's really hit or miss for me because they put so much perfume in their products, but this little collection that they have going on, it's like a foundation, a primer, and a mist. I've been really into it. So I'm taking that foundation and I'm just buffing it all over my face. It's pretty full coverage, but I like to use thin layers to kind of just build it up instead of caking it on. Also, my skin, oh my god, this trip to Mexico has ruined me. Look at my hands. I have like some weird flesh-eating disease now or something. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyways, I'm just buffing all that in. For my concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is a little bit too light. I kind of wish I went darker, but I'm just taking my Shape Tape and I'm just dotting it and blending everything out. What you can't see is how textured my skin is right now, and I'm working on it. I've been glycolic aciding it as much as I can, and I'm kind of working on the texture, but it's fine. Setting everything with my Milk Makeup Translucent Powder. Just setting everything super lightly just to make sure not to move any pigment that I just put on with my concealer. And yeah, just very lightly. I like to kind of set my smile lines on my under eyes the most, and then everything else just a very light little veil. So I'm gonna skip contour and bronzer, and I'm just gonna move on to a blush. I know. I'm taking my Bareminerals Bounce and Blur blush in the shade Coral Cloud. This is a new release for them, I believe, and they have a really cool texture. They actually like are very bouncy and very light when you feel them. I don't know how it translates onto like the actual pigment, but they do feel really cool. I'm just kind of applying it on the apple of my cheeks and also slightly contouring with it. So this is the mist that I was talking about, the second part of the collection from Guerlain. I'm just gonna mist it all over. It's just basically basically a very fine, very perfumey face mist. For my brows, I'm going to be going in with my Benefit Brow Styler. This is also a new launch for them. I like the brow pencil. I'm still trying to kind of get used to the little powdery part, but I'm sure with some practice I can get to it. But the pencil is great, as always. I mean, Benefit really knows their brow pencils. I'm just underlining my brow. Since this is like a 15-minute look, I don't really want to go and spend too much time on my brows. I just wanted to quickly kind of get it done. Usually when I'm rushing out the door, I just like to underline them. I'm setting them with the 24-hour brow setter, also by Benefit. It's just a clear brow gel, and it's like glue. It's the best. Next, for my eyeshadows, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Nude palette, and this one is the medium one, so there's 3 of them. And I'm just going to start on packing on this shade onto my lid and then kind of sweeping it into the crease a little bit. I was kind of a Huda Beauty hater for a bit, but their eyeshadows are actually really good. I'm sorry. Next, taking a shadow that is literally just a shade deeper from the lid color, I'm starting to kind of apply it into the crease and the outer V. I'm also going to smudge it on my lower lash line as well. All in all, this shouldn't take you more than like 5 minutes if you just get her done. I'm going to take a clean brush and just kind of blend it a little bit. Next, I'm going to take this gold shade. This is just the top yellow. And I kind of wanted it to be very, very subtle shimmer. I didn't want to pack it on with like a wet brush. I just wanted it to be very undetectable, and then I kind of got carried away with it. So I blended it a little bit more with the lid shade. Just wanted a little hint, you know? For my mascara, I'm taking my Lorac Luxe. This one has actually been one of my favorite mascaras. I don't know why I sound so surprised. I guess Lorac is not one of my like top brands that I always reach for, so I have been reaching for this mascara a lot. Taking the Haus Labs Rip Lip Liner in the shade Ride, and I'm not gonna apply lipstick, although I kind of regret that now and I wish I did. But I'm just overlining my lips, and these lip pencils are really, really good. There's even a shade that I would compare close to Strip Down, and you know I don't miss with my MAC Strip Down. That's it for my 15-minute fall makeup. I've been taking a hiatus on YouTube. I'm sure you guys have noticed, but I am back. I'm ready to film shit. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.